Hey, this video will cover logging in to Net Classroom or Faweb and setting up your gradebook. So once you've logged in a few times, if you just type FAW, it should like auto list it from the little address bar. But as soon as you get that, and the URL here will be in the link in the description, just so you have it bookmarked. But as soon as you can, you want to bookmark that on your bookmarks bar. And if you're not sure how to get to the top, you can go into your bookmarks manager and you can drag it all the way to the top since you'll be using it pretty often. But we're going to go ahead and log in, and we want to set up our gradebooks. Now you can either click these little icons to set up your gradebooks, and if you don't see those icons, let the administration know and we'll fix that on our end. But to set up your gradebooks, you're going to go to the gradebook option or that icon. First, you're going to go to edit categories. All right. We suggest not, you don't have to use weighted grading, but what I do is have two categories. I'm going to have formative assessment, and that's going to be quizzes, things that are during the unit is what we're going to have there. And then we're also going to have another category, which is summative assessment. And those are going to be unit tests or big projects that we're going to have. And the fields in blue are going to be mandatory. So you'll notice that we'll have, you have to put a factor in this, or you have to have the weighted percentages. So if you have the sum of the assignment points, that's fine if you want to do that. But instead, I would rather have it calculate by grade averages. So I'm going to have this graded as formative assessment as 40% of my total average, and my summative unit tests and projects will be 60% of my total average. So you'll notice that will be reflected in the percent grade. So you're not editing the percent grade area, you're editing the factor area. So if for some reason, say you wanted to have a third category that would be, and we'll just call that miscellaneous, which I still recommend to, but you could still divvy that up. You could have maybe 40 here. If I put 20 here, notice how the percentages will be a little wonky because that's more than 100. So you could do 40, 40, 20, and the percentages get reflected there. But that's how to set up your category. Now, because I don't want this third option, and if you accidentally hit enter or tab, you might think, well, I want to get rid of this, and I'm going to put this back to 60. So let's go ahead and delete this. And the way you delete anything is, you notice left of the name column, click on this little gray rectangle. You click delete and then OK, and it deletes that row. And that's how to set up categories in your gradebook. Now I'm going to go ahead, instead of doing this for every category, I'm going to show you in the next video how to copy this format instead of typing formative assessment and sum assessment and typing the 40 and the 60 every time. And the next video I'm going to show you how to copy those to other classes.